Good morning. Today is December 10th, and today we are looking at the concepts part of the four C's. So some people find concepts a little confusing, but if you just think about it, a concept is just an idea or a feeling that you find when you are reading. So we'll practice with a picture. What is an idea or feeling you get from this picture? And here is about it. Alfred Eisenstadt's photograph of an American sailor kissing a woman in Times Square became a symbol of the excitement and joy at the end of World War II. The Life photographer didn't get their names, and several people have claimed to be the kissers over the years. A book released last year identifies the pair as George Mendonça and Greta Zimmer Friedman. Suddenly I was grabbed by a sailor, Friedman said in 2005. It wasn't that much of a kiss. It was more of a jubilant act that he didn't have to go back to war. So what kind of idea do you get from this picture? Or what do you think the people in the picture are feeling? So that's kind of the concept here. All right. Now we're going to look for some concepts in this article, which I think is super cute. 2 penguins found a camera in Antarctica and took a surprising selfie. Okay, so I love penguins, and yeah, so that's pretty much why I picked it. The selfies, so we're going to look for 2 kind of concepts. So it's not really a main idea, but maybe you could combine the concepts that you find to get a main idea. So we're not looking for like an overall concept, because that would be the main idea. Like, what is this mainly about? We're looking for a bunch of little mini concepts, if you will. So, the selfie snapping animals are at it again. 2 emperor penguins in Antarctica captured a short video of themselves after coming across a camera left on the ice by a human. The Australian Antarctic Division posted the comical 38-second clip to its social media channels Thursday. One of the group's expeditioners, Eddie Gault, had placed the camera on the ground near the Oster Rookery, home to a large emperor penguin colony. Gault had been visiting the nearby Mawson Research Station. It didn't take long for the naturally curious birds to seize the opportunity for a selfie, the group said. The video at first captures a handful of penguins from a low vantage point. Then one bird soon waddles over to the camera. With a single impressive kick, the penguin angles the screen to focus only on its face. So I'm going to show you guys an example. So you don't get to use this one. So I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to pick a color, and I'm just going to write concept. The photographer wanted to see what the penguins would do with a camera. So there, that's a concept. I'm just taking this section and explaining it in my own words. That's it. That's all, that's all, that's all. Okay? So this is your assignment, to go through and find 2 more. Okay? 2 more. That's it. All right? Bye.